Good morning, students. Hope you are fine and safe with your family members. In last class, we learned about defragmentation and troubleshooting. Let's recall these two topics a little bit. Defragmentation is used to speed up the computer, and we saw example based on the topic. And what are the steps are used to defragment a computer? First step, click on start. Second step, click on programs. Step 3, click on accessories. Step 4, click on system tools. Step 5, click on disk defragmenter. These are the 5 steps to defragment a computer. Another topic we learned is troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is used for the systematic search for the source of problems. It is the process of eliminating potential cause on the problem. Now you can get a clear understanding of the previous class topics. A follow-up work is also given based on the topics. I think everyone has done the homework which I given to you. In today's class, we are going to learn about the connecting peripherals in computer. Before we start the class, I would like to say a small example based on the topic. Everyone uses mobile phone in today's world. In mobile phone, we use SIM cards. Without a SIM card, a mobile phone cannot complete its process. There are various SIM cards like Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, etc. We can prefer our own SIM cards which we like to use in our mobile phone. Likewise, in computer also there are several ports and cables to connect the computer like PS by 2 port, VGA connector, printer parallel port, USB port, audio port that is used to connect peripherals in computer. Without these ports and cable, a computer cannot do its process. Now let's discuss about the topic more elaborately. First, we are going to discuss a small introduction about the topic. The peripherals of a computer are connected through different ports and cables of the motherboard, which is covered by a cabinet. In computer hardware, a port serves as an interface between the computer and other computers or peripheral devices. In computer terms, a port generally refers to the part of computing device available for connection to peripherals such as input and output devices. Let's see various ports that connects peripherals. First is PS by 2 port. Second port is VGA connector port. Third port is audio port. Fourth port is printer parallel port. Fifth port is USB port. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. First, we are going to see about PS by 2 port. PS by 2 port stands for the personal system. The full form of PS is personal system. It is an electronic plug used to connect the keyboard and mouse. This connector is small with diameter of about 1 by 3rd inch. The PS by 2 port is often called as mouse port. It has another name called mouse port. PS by 2 port was introduced in the year 1987. Note this year, students. Next, we are going to learn about VGA connector cable. VGA stands for Video Graphic Adapter. VGA connector is mainly used to connect monitors. The common 15-pin VGA connector found on a computer's monitor is universally called HD15. HD stands for high density. A VGA cable has multiple uses in the electronic field. It is used to connect and send signals between computers and monitors, between computers and televisions, and between computers and laptops. The main use of VGA connector is used to connect to monitors, and it has multiple uses in electronic field. Let's learn about working of VGA connector. The video graphics array cable works by carrying the electronic signals and data from one hardware device to another hardware device. The signals are normally in form of video signals. The cable functions by carrying analog components of the red, green, blue, horizontal, vertical and VESA data, that is VESA data. This is about working of VGA connector. Next is audio port. Everyone know about audio port. It is general only. An audio port on a computer is used to connect audio devices such as speakers, headphones or microphones. The main use of audio port is used to connect only audio devices such as speakers, headphones or microphones. There are different colored audio ports on the motherboard that connects speaker, microphone and other external input. It is usually 1 by 8 mini jack. The pink colored jack connects the microphone, while green colored jack, commonly known as audio out, that connects the speaker. The line in input or aux. Aux refers to auxiliary. A blue colored jack connects external input such as player, sound recorder, etc. I recall about audio port. Blue colored audio port is used to connect player, sound recorder. Pink port is connected to microphone, while green color jack commonly connected to the speaker. This is about audio port. Next is printer parallel port. It is a parallel port with 25 pins female connector which connects the 25 pins male connector of the printer cable. That is, a cable carries data between computer and printer. The other end of the printer cable is connected to the printer. It is often called a Centaurus interface. After the company that designed the original standard for parallel communication between a computer and printer. The diagram is printer parallel port. Like this only the printer parallel port looks like. It connects with 25 pins female connector to 25 pins male connector cable. Next we are going to see about the final port, that is USB port. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is an peripheral interface used for connecting the peripherals to computers. It is intended to replace serial ports, parallel ports, connectors of input-output devices. These ports are inexpensive and use biserial transmission. USB ports supports to 127 devices such as monitors, keyboard, some printers, some low-speed scanners, web cameras, and external hard disk. The main use of USB port is used to connect the peripherals to computer. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. USB port support to 127 devices such as monitors, keyboards, low-speed scanners, web cameras, external hard disk. In today's class, we learnt about what are the ports and cable that are connected in computer. Let's summarize what we have learnt in today's class. First, we learnt about PS by 2 port. PS stands for Personal System. It is an electronic plug used to connect the keyboard and mouse. The connector is small with the diameter is about 1/3 inch. It was introduced in the year 1987. Note students, 1987. Next is VGA connector port. VGA stands for Video Graphic Adapter. It is used to connect monitors. The full form of VGA can be asked in 1 marks. A VGA cable has multiple uses in the electronic field. Working, the cable functions by carrying analog components of the red, blue, horizontal, vertical and VESA data. Next is audio port. An audio port on a computer is used to connect audio devices such as speakers, headphones or microphones. There are different colored audio ports on the motherboard that connects speaker, microphone and external input. It has pink, blue and green colored jack. Next is printer parallel port. It is a parallel port with 25 pins female connector which connects to the 25 pins male connector of the printer cable. The other end of the printer cable is connected to the printer. This is about printer parallel port. Next is USB port. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Note the students, this can be asked as 1 mark. It is an peripheral interface used for connecting the peripherals to computer. These ports are low in cost and we use biserial transmission. Now we summarized the today's topics. Next, you have to do the follow-up work based on the topics in today's class. There are 3 questions to write down in your rough notebooks. Do it, students. First question is, what is VGA connector? Second question is, expand USB. Third question is, what is audio port? If you want to write the answers in your rough notebook, refer this video and textbook for more reference. Thank you, students. See you in next class.